Oh yeah, that's super cool. That is super
Yeah, I love this.
cool. That is super cool.
Well, Joe, I plainly see that the Ebola that you are smelling is nothing more but my ex-wife. Oh yes, my name is Father Vespucci. My pussy is the best. Where's the fireplace? I don't fucking know anymore. My pussy is wet, but I am a guy and I don't know anymore. Tell me, Joe, is it that time of the month for me? Oh shit, the fuck. Man, nobody speaks my paint anymore. When your lover hits your eye with his big pizza pie, holy shit, cat. Run! 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 Oh my fucking god! Just like masochism, I hated the whip, but I love it. You can never give me the push. Oh, see that. Oh, see that. Okay. Everyone asks me when I love the best. I tear my shirt and I go, Rosie on my shirt. Yeah, I wander. I swing my dick around and around and around and around and around. While I swing it to the west, and I swung it to the east, and it usually stands up north, and it never goes south, cause it swings past my feet.
Jesus Christ.
Resident Evil is quite wonderful with explanations. How does chemical fluid work with a plant to create a juice that just so happens to magically reattach limbs? There's some chemical fluid and some herbs, splash it together and put it on your wound, and next thing you know, you don't even need a hospital.
What? Ironically, I am a white supremacist. Shock him! Flash him! Just whip it out, flash him! Flash him! Hey! Boom, boom, boom! Kill him! Kick! Boom, boom, boom! Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, the hostage. It'd be a shame if I was to kill him and end this.
Oh god! I was killed.
Oh jeez!
Kill him! Kill him! He shot me!
Now we have a hole in the wall.
Hey.
When you was slaves, you guys sung like birds.
Oh,
I think we def. Oh man, you know what time it is.
Rape.
You know what time it is. It's time for me to fuse that hostage. There's only one thing to do when you play as fuse.
The game is some horse cheese.
I love horse cheese.
Is it made out of horse milk?
It better be.
Only the finest. Someone's running back and forth in the very rear.
You know, it'd be a shame
thing.
if someone was to put a fuse thing here.
Oh god, no, Dan! No!
It'd be a very big shame.
You got to
Where
put
to
it.
go? Where to go? Just get it?
Sounds slightly Indian. I touch little girls.
They
come to the
because-
7-Eleven. They get the
Alright, let's see
slushy
here. I got,
supreme.
Whoa, what is in the slushy supreme?
My secret formula from the secret straw that I keep safely guarded within my pantaloons.
Swansonator says,
Really?
as long as he's LARPing, it's okay. Swansonator, why are you
We'll
touching
invite you
kids?
to the squad.
It's fine, it's the character I'm playing.
It's okay, it's a social experiment.
It's just a prank, bro, it's just a prank.
Why are you touching my daughter? It's a prank, bro. It's fine.
When
Wow.
she wants to meet your dad, but so do you. Only one business in the galaxy gets you this rich. Roblox work at a pizza place.
Hey, what's the ultimate for the shotgun guy?
You just shoot a bunch of time.
Oh, it'd be cool if I could do that and I could kill right away. I accidentally clicked the one next to it and I had to buy it. It brought me to buy it.
Here, I'll let you have it.
Really? Dude, I was right on it. I was right on it.
Here, you can have it. I'm buying this chicken anyways.
No.
Boom, you can have it.
Dude, are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, you can have it.
I hate you guys. You can have it. 1 second left! You gave me 1 second to pick it!
Well, think about it this way: you get to play as the
Suck.
greatest character ever.
Dude, I'm a sock. I'm a sock.
Yeah. Bullet push. Objective. Objective. Coming. Everybody push. I'll shield. I'll shield. Come on. Push. Come on. Push. Push.
No, damn it.
I watch porn for the black guys, don't worry.
I watch porn for the acting. Put you for the FBI.
Hey. Her
Let me
name's
in.
on the clock, she's ready for the Glock. By the way, don't come to school tomorrow. I can use jelly as lube.
Sure. I wonder what that would taste like after.
Do you guys agree with the fact of poop is lube? Hey, it's not child pornography if they agree.
What if they consent? What if they consent?
Then it's okay.
A cat
Hey,
just casually.
what's got 5 arms, 3 legs, and 2 feet?
Rapist?
The finish line at the Boston Marathon. Dude, my daughter's gotten to the age where she asks me embarrassing questions about sex. Just this morning, she asked me, "Is that the best you can do?"
What did the Boston Marathon bombers do that Hitler couldn't?
What?
They ended the race. Girls are like blackjack. I'm always going for 21, but I always end up hitting on 14. Say what you
Yeah.
will about pedophiles, but hey, they do drive slower through school zones. What does a baby look like after 90 seconds in the microwave?
Pretty tasty looking baby.
I don't know, I close my eyes when I masturbate.
What?
A leaf and an emo fall from a tree. Which one hits the ground first? The leaf. The rope stops the emo. How do you bring out your inner child?
What?
Let's see Michael
With a
Jackson.
coat hanger.
Hey, what's funnier than a dead baby?
2 dead babies.
2 dead babies.
No, a dead baby in a clown costume. What's the difference between a baby and a dartboard?
Babies cost less.
Dartboards don't bleed.
What's the difference between a baby and a baked potato?
Baked potato doesn't scream when you put it in the oven.
No. About 140 calories.
Damn it! I was gonna do the Mars bar one and it was about 500 calories.
You stop with the dead baby, Julie.
Why did the family take the dead baby along out to the cookout? So they could light it and toast their marshmallows.
Build a man a fire and he'll be warm for a day. Set a man on fire and he'll be warm for the rest of his life.
How many babies does it take to make a bottle of baby oil?
7.
Depends on how hard you squeeze them. How many babies does it take to paint a barn?
I don't know.
Depends on how hard you throw them.
Why can't orphans play baseball?
They have
Why?
no parents.
Because they don't know where home is.
So a guy is walking with a young boy into the woods. Boy
Alright.
says, "Hey, mister, it's getting dark. I'm pretty scared." The man says, "How do you think I feel? I have to walk back alone."
One man's trash is another man's treasure. Wonderful saying, horrible way to find out that you were adopted. Sparkly water was invented by the Germans. Who else would think of adding gas?
Dude, no way. I can't comprehend the stupid game.
Just overcompensate. That's what I do.
I don't care.
And thus Stream Spotlights comes back with on an amazing note.